Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send email from Gmail. For more information about this tutorial, visit our article. Link provided in the description. Without any delay, let's get started. Open any browser. Go to gmail.com and log into your account. On the left side of the window, you will find Compose option. Click on it. Then, a small window will pop up on the bottom right corner. Enter the mail address of the recipient in the first column. In the second column, enter the subject of the email. Type your message in the Compose section. If you want to attach a file, click on the pin icon, which is on the bottom menu. Then, a window will pop up. Browse your computer from that window to select the file. And, click on Open. Then, the selected file is attached to the email. Click on Send. That's it, mail will be sent successfully. Hope you liked this tutorial. For more information, visit our article. Link provided in the description.